Good day, guys. So now we'll be discussing about division with a restoring. So we start with a simple example: 10 divided by 2. So we do know the Q is the dividend, and we'll be representing the dividend by 4 bits: 1 0 1 0. And accumulator will be n plus 1. So if Q is 4 bits, then accumulator will be n plus 1, that is 5 bits. So here we represented as 5 bits 00000. Now if the accumulator is 5 bits, then the m will be in 5 bits. So here we got the example as 2, so we are representing that as 00010. And we do know whenever we perform this division or multiplication, we'll be doing by means of an addition. So for that we are making the m dash also. So m dash for the given example 2 is 11110. Right now, the important steps that has to be carried out throughout the division with restoring process will be: one is shift left, and in all the steps we'll be doing a minus m. And if the MSB of the accumulator, after performing that subtraction a minus m, then we'll be restoring it, and hence it is termed as a division with restoring. So we go into the example which makes you more clear and closer to the division with restoring. Just keep following. So we do know the first operation, then followed by accumulator register, followed by Q and M. So the first operation is initialization, so the accumulator will be having all zeros, that is 5 bits over here, because N is 4 bit, and Q is here is 10, so we are representing that as a 1010, and M is 2, and we are making that as a 5-bit representation, 00010, and M dash will be 1110, just a 5-bit representation. We are inversing and making it a 2's complement of the given M. So now we directly step on to the process. So step 1, so shift left. So first bit will be blind, then we'll be pushing 1 bit, 0 1 0, and this will be coming over here, the remaining 0. Right? So now we'll be performing a minus m. So that is nothing but m dash will be added to the accumulator. So what happened? It becomes like this: 11111, and we do remember the MSB of the accumulator is 1, then the blind bit will be written as a 0. So we are rewriting it to make it more clear. So now what we can do is, as the resultant accumulator MSB have 1, we have to do the restore operation. So restore is nothing but just making the accumulator to be same that was before the subtraction a minus m. So what is over here? It is 00001, and of course the Q remains the same. So step 1 has been over. Now step 2, again shift left, so a blind bit, then 00, that is pushed, 01, then remaining 0. We are performing a minus m. In the all the step, remember, we'll be performing shift left and a minus m, and we know this is m dash, so we're just adding up. So this is ignorant bit, and if the MSB of the accumulator is 0, then we'll be writing the blind bit as 1. So and now as the MSB of the accumulator is 0, no need for restore. So no restore. we simply write the accumulator bits, what is valuable and what is in the queue. So step 2 has been over. Now 3, again shift left, so blind bit, then pushing a bit, and this one over here, and we are making this. And the second step of each cycle will be a minus m. There's ms, m dash, so we are just writing the m dash. So now we got, and the MSB of the accumulator is 1, so we are writing the Q blind bit as 0, 1, 0, 0. And as the MSB of the accumulator is 1, we have to perform the restore operation, and again it became 0001 and write the same Q. So making sense? Now the fourth step, shift left, so blind bit, then pushing a bit, so this 0 over here, then 1, then 0, right? So now we'll be performing a minus m, that is, so now we got, so this is ignorant bit, and as the MSB of the accumulator is 0, we are making the blind bit to be 1, right? So as the MSB of the accumulator is 0, no restore, no restoring, right? So we are returning the accumulator as 00000 and Q as 0101. So as the 4 clock cycle has been over, right, that's it, the process get over because the 4-bit number we have chosen as an example, and so we are stopping with the 4 cycle. So now the accumulator is nothing but a reminder, and that is 000000, which is equivalent to the decimal of 0. And now the quotient is 0101, that is equivalent to a decimal of 5. And we know our chosen example is 10 divided by 2. So 5 2s are 10. So it's simple. So it became a quotient. This is reminder. So this is how the division with non-restoring 10. Let's make it